family reunion moment.
You know, family reunions are supposed to be fun, right? But sometimes, oh, they can go off the rails real quick. You know, every family reunion has its moments, like Uncle Joe arguing over the spades table, cousins going back and forth about who really makes the best mac and cheese, and, well, someone always manages to bring up that old family drama from, what, 20 years ago?
You did it.
The trick is, keep it light. Seriously, don't let things get too heavy. Remember, it's not about winning the debate, it's about keeping the family together no matter what. If things heat up, just step outside, grab some fresh air, and come back ready to laugh it off. It makes all the difference, trust me. At the end of the day, the drama won't be remembered as much as the love, if you let it be that way.
Yeah. The grill's cold, the chair's folded, but the love we built, that's golden. Reunion's done, now the silence creeping. No more cousins laughing, no aunties preaching. The tent's packed up, the plates all gone, but the vibe we had, that still lives on. Photos in the chat, memories in motion. Keep that group text buzzing like a potion. Zoom call next month, mark the date. Don't let the bond fade, elevate, keep it going. Don't let it slide, family's forever, not just one vibe. Newsletter drop, story to share, legacy strong, love in the air. Uncle's jokes, grandma's grace. Let's keep that joy in a digital space. Many meetups, birthday cheers. We build a bridge that lasts for years. Whoa, keep it going.